Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Beauty Big Bang XL060 swatches. Comes in this beautiful cover, very colorful, and it's got instructions on the back. And don't forget about my 10% off the Beauty Big Bang code for pack 285. Look at all of these cool images. I am really excited about this one. A friend of mine here on YouTube, Chase M, just did a swatch of another plate with these types of images, and it just kind of in my head. So today I'll be using the Beauty Big Bang stamper, my beauty scraper, and I'm using the white and the black from Queen. I don't use these normally on manicures. I try to use them when I'm swatching. It's just a gorgeous plate with really nice images. So we've got a lot to swatch here today, so I have sped this up just a little bit. And I am using some tips that I had swatched polishes on in the past, so we might end up with some really crazy color combinations this time. Some not so much, but some could be pretty wild. I love this image with the elephants. How cute. I really did like this plate because there were several images on here that were pretty unique. You know, still following that theme, you know, that Egyptian looking theme. And I just really was digging it. Like this one. I really like it. It's like got some animal print in the middle of it. It's just so cool. Very, very nice. It does cover up a lot of the base polish, but sometimes that's what you're looking for. So here we go. We're zipping along. I really do love the Beauty Big Bang plates. I haven't had trouble with any of them. I've tried quite a few of them, and they're just easy to work with. And that's one of the main draws for me. I don't want a plate that's going to aggravate me. I do have some in my collection, but these are excellent. Here we go. Look how pretty. And the images are all picking up really well and transferring over very nicely. And I am putting more polish on these than normal. Almost all of these have so much detail going on in them that I didn't want to miss anything. I will show you close-ups of all these at the end, so don't get discouraged if you don't get to really get a good look at them while we go through them. We're just banging along here. Isn't that pretty? Oh. So this one was another one that I really liked because it had some circles in it. A lot of these images have just, you know, straight lines and squares, diagonals, and triangles and stuff. So to have some circles in there was really cool. I had to clean that plate off and come back and do this one because when I went to edit, I realized I skipped this one. So if everything looks a little different, that is why. Girl got a little crazy and carried away and skipped one. So here we go. No one gets left out. Not on my watch. So there we go. It's a really cool design too. These images are just really nice. Covering that image up because I'm telling you, there's a lot of little lines on these. And for them to pick up that well with that much definition in them is just really blowing me away. Very neat. So we're getting down to the last couple on the full-sized images. Excuse me. And then we're going to head on into those small single images down at the bottom. That one's pretty cool too. Really need to do an Egyptian manicure. I need to do that. This plate is singing to me and telling me I need to. So very nice. And this stamper that I've been using from Beauty Big Bang is a really good one. Like I said, I'm not having any trouble with the pickup or anything. And I've gotten used to the short, squatty like stampers, but this one's really easy to hold on to, so I really do like that. There we go. So cute. And I'm really enjoying this. So on some of these smaller images, I think on all of them, I'm going to try to get 2 on each nail. Okay, that was a bad scrape on my part. It's missing a little piece. And this flag is going to be missing its little flagpole, and I do believe that is me also. I probably just removed it right there with my finger. But they still are stamping really well. And I apologize for this blurry part, but it's just for this one. And then well, it's not blurry when I hold it up here. But then when I move to the next one, it'll start acting better here in just a minute. Well, 1 or 2. I'm not trying to fib to you. I just losing track. And the cats are so cute. Okay, now it's better. Yay. I love these images, though. And I'm having so much fun just swatching them. Swatching stuff like this is just fun, fun, fun for me. I already had my nails painted, so it was really cool that I had this plate that I could play with, too, because I still wanted to play. There we go. Now, this next image is just so classic and so cool. I love it. And I like the size of it. It's not too big. Excuse me again. I have a bunch of my nail friends here on YouTube talk about how tiny their nail plates are, and they have trouble finding images that'll fit. And ladies, don't forget, you can shrink these images. There are videos out there that show you how to do it. I know Guyleen325 has one. So here are the images that I swatched. Aren't they awesome? Love them. I am really digging it. With that hollow on the back, it's just so cool. So I did get a little smearing on that one right there, that one that I had forgotten, but that's because I was in a hurry. My bad. So I hope you enjoyed these swatches. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this stamping plate. And that is it for today. I do have a swatch photo coming. Like I said, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you guys think about these plates. And that is it for today. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.